Like a nigga, I just came up on a fiend. Couple pro meth and codeine. Ferrari on that Lamborghini. Eat a pussy in the passenger seat. I'm in Amsterdam, good woman, good weed. This is where I need to be. Meeting at the door, I'm up by the store. Oliver Twist, she wants some more. I'm a hit raw. Fed up with a nigga, she cheap. Heartbreak gang, so Can I eat it from the front, from the back? Can I use both? God, can I use both? Fuck me like you miss you, baby. Fuck me like you can. Fuck me like you miss you when I put it on your head. Won't you let me take it off? Break it off. Make me wanna. What you say? Me and don't cut me off. See when you're fucking with a rich nigga, how you better get used to the sound. I got 50,000 euros on it right now. I blow it trying to be to Milan. Never stops to fall in love. Life doesn't go to plan. The bitches don't compare, cause I just asked you for air. And I was the one of please, resize, shut up, size, do you right, still up, slide. Ex-nigga phone, but I buy here, do you right? Tell them I get up on my business, get that shit you right. No gun license over here, baby, it's savage. I want to brand new blickies and things, got corn for your niggas. By the time the gang gon' pull up and shoot, we gon' fall on your nigga. I'ma just pour up, would you fall on my level? Number 29 with a hop in the middle of winter. I just told her gang pull up and ski. She was a good girl, a girl, but I turned her ass to a freak. Selling bricks like David, so hooked on a bomb got weed. Hollywood 6.
Ba ding dang dong.
Subscribe to BG Boys.
Hey, today we got
DBE's late 29, new release.
29 day.
Tonight, 29.
DBE, they just released a song, what, 3 weeks ago? 4 weeks ago? And it was a banger on repeat every time before I go to the gym.
What's it again?
What do you do?
Cruising in the Lambo truck, I'm smoking around.
It's
by the time the By the time the gang pull up and shoot,
we go follow your nigga.
And I'ma just pour up with the fours in my liver.
Number 29 got a hot
in the middle of the winter. I just thought I can pull up and ski. She was a good girl, hey girl, now I turn her to a free.
Word in the street, it's an LB mixtape.
This one?
What? Really? The last one was an LB mixtape.
LB solo mixtape was supposed to come out 2 years ago, bro. You think it's an LB solo mixtape? I was supposed to come out with the auto-tune album later in the year, but first supposed to come out with the rap album. Yeah. Like, bro, it's just, come on, yo, drop something.
Confusion. We need an album. We need a tape to react to.
Exactly. Be hard.
But make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification, comment what you like about the video, what you don't like about the video. And if you don't have an account, what do they do?
What you do is if you do not have an account and you're just, on a default account, just browsing, make an account quickly. It helps us out and it helps you out because it's more content for you guys. Yeah.
And we're posting now behind the scenes and like thumbnails on our Instagram and our Twitter @_BG Boys. It's gonna be here. And coming soon, a TikTok for the guys.
Coming soon, TikTok will be out.
LeBron! If you guys want to see a live stream reaction,
live stream reaction.
Good idea. For the DB album, Home Alone 2.
Home Alone 2 live stream reaction. We will do it. If you guys want the live stream at DBE album reaction, make sure you guys pop a comment down below. We want you guys to run up the likes and run up the comments on the Instagram because we will do a live stream reaction on it. Let's get to it.
And without further ado,
let's get to the video.
Filmed by Suave.
Hey, who else?
Who else, really? There's a lake.
Where is the lake in London?
Lake 29.
No lake in London.
Look at the eye, see?
Let's see what he says.
Got splash spot by the lake.
This is old DBE. Old DBE. Ow.
Is that?
Got a splash spot by the lake.
This is old, man. This is old.
There's someone pull up and just
Gucci. Okay, listen. This is the question I have.
Yes.
Is the new album gonna be on this type of way?
This or
rap type?
Exactly. Hopefully this type of way.
This type of way.
Yeah, I mean, like, look.
Or you signed up for a drug user.
Because the rap is amazing.
Yes.
Actually, half and half would be good.
It's good, huh? Oh, good mix. Ow. It was so quick into it as well.
Got a stash park by the lake. Ask how I'm doing, man, I'm great. 9 ounces drying on a plate. Running like a race. Private plate, the new R8.
Private plate, the new R8.
Top one and run it.
It's a like a race.
That LV?
Look, it's gone.
It's an NBA basketball one.
Oh, it is. What the fuck? I just realized.
Yeah.
Top running like a race. Private plate, the new R8. Buy a Louis fucker face. All my niggas hammers fly away. No fake models, no divas. 100 bang for the needle.
Well, I actually didn't even expect for the flow switch.
I know, we need that. That's keep going.
Last with the pausing?
Wait, is that a new tattoo?
Eyes. Oh, it's his eyes.
That's the half and half face.
It is a half and half face. What the hell?
Is that new?
I didn't see that before.
Nope.
That's new too.
No, he's been at it.
Oh, okay.
I'm fly away. No fake models, no divas. 100 bang for the needle. Rotate them up, do a clean up.
Clean up, hey.
Big cars and no finance. $500,000 in balance.
Hold on. Cryptocurrencies.
Listen. No finance.
Yes.
Right? You know how you gotta finance a whip? He goes in Bitcoin, Steve Coin, Jip, Dogecoin.
$500,000.
He goes
Dogecoin, nigga.
Dogecoin. Dodge that. No, but you know what it is?
Yeah.
He's actually killing the vocals.
He is. He
Did you hear it?
Okay, I promise you, no more pausing. I promise you now. Okay, I promise. Let's go.
No finance. $500,000 in balance. These watches still can't get the time back. On my mind back. Fly up. I just made a nigga get slapped at hands free right now. I feel like Matilda. Bros, you got
So fire!
Slapped up.
What you say, Matilda?
Matilda.
Like who? Matilda who?
You didn't see Matilda?
Look at
Matilda Pops not?
Look at that one.
No. What's that?
It's that brown
AP.
paper bag.
That's a roll, you know.
Is it like
stainless
gold?
steel. Rose gold.
It's that one
It's
thing. Oh, it's
really
rock.
Day.
Day.
Or that's Loki. I think maybe presidential. Presidential rollie.
Okay, we will. You see the goat? You see
Is
the goat?
that a goat? Oh, it is.
I just made a nigga get slapped at hands free right now. I feel like Matilda. Broski, you got a spoiler. If she a loyal one and the real one. I can see in your eyes you ain't been through no pain, and that's why you don't know who you are.
You're not real.
He robbed my rapper friends, but I just told him no. She crying, diamonds like the stars.
I fucked him.
No pausing.
It was about to go on something.
My shooter friend asked me, can I rob some of your rap friends? Oh no.
No pausing. Let's go.
That's old DBA.
That's fine. That's so old.
Told him no. She crying, diamonds like the stars. Bought the coca soft, I whipped it, turned it hard. I like her nails, her hair, I like her arms. With in a pint glass. Home Alone 2, I started with nothing, it's hard.
It's Home Alone 2. You called it. Yo, put it in here. Last video, this nigga called it.
Oh, this is Home Alone 2, no? Kevin McAllister, Home Alone.
What do you mean?
Home Alone, they already have the album. Home Alone.
Oh,
this is Home Alone 2.
key.
And they've been saying Home Alone 2. Home Alone 2 this summer?
Wow.
Home Alone 2.
No, not only that. Not only
The
that.
flows.
Did you hear how he puts the ad lib? It's a listen.
Zeno whipping a Zeno.
Nails her hair, I like her arms.
Listen.
Pinot with Zeno in a pint glass.
Listen.
Home Alone 2, I started with nothing, it's hard. The dealers ain't taking no payments, cause they bang them hammers out of love.
Connection could not be completed.
Payments, cause they bang them hammers out of love. Perform on camera like a star. Sold that crack from Katie's, now look, I'm a star.
Ow. Hey. Cause that's not my leg. I'm great.
9 ounces drying on
Got the guitar. Hey, Jimi Hendrix.
like a race. Private plate, the new R8. Buy a Louis fucker face. All my niggas hammers fly away. No fake models, no divas. 100 bang for the needle. Rotate the motor, clean up. Big cars and no finance.
$500,000 in finance.
Why?
One more time.
No fake models, no divas. 100 bang for the needle. Rotate them up, do a clean up. Big cars and no finance. $500,000 in finance. All these watches still can't get the time.
LB's still coming. LB's still coming. 1 minute and 56 into this.
Do you want to know what it is? This is such an Albezius beat. This is an Albezius type beat. Connected. 2 time. I got two tongues, but on me.
Yo, listen. I don't know what lake they're at, but like I'm trying to be there.
Like 29, brother.
It is like 29.
No Binance.
This is it. LB's gonna come.
No finance. $500,000
No
in
finance.
balance. Who these watches still come?
What is up with LB and the ski mask lately?
It's cold, isn't it?
He's on the Kanye wave.
Look at that, Dior.
He cut his hair.
It's a Dior.
That's what I said. I said he cut his hair.
He said he cut his
I said
hair.
he cut his dreads.
He said he
I
cut his
told you
dreads.
that he cut his
Dior.
dreads.
Did he? Oh, he is dripped
Yeah.
out.
I said he cut his dreads.
Can't be.
Yes,
Nah,
yes, he
I'll
cut his
be-
dreads.
nah,
Yes,
I'll
he
be-
did.
Big calls with no finance. $500,000 in Binance. Who these watches still can't get the time back. I'm on my back. Flying. I show my nigga the million. I make a prayer for his children. I took a practice of fitness. Now I'm strong, I don't feel them yet. Protect Philippe, I got chills. My nigga himself.
Protect Philippe, what do you got? I got chills. Philippe, I got chills. LB
Running it.
is so good. You know what? He really found his sound, eh?
He did.
LB found his sound. The past couple songs he's been
Murking it.
nuts.
That last album, he did very
He
well.
did
But
very
he's gonna
well.
do. He's gonna do
And
very
even
good.
Kevin McAllister was amazing verse.
Amazing. But confirmed. Watch.
Feel them yet. Protect Philippe, I got chills.
Wait.
I told my nigga himself.
He cut his hair. Look at the bucket hat, man.
I told you. With no rubber, there's nobody else. I got the rose.
Old LB, old LB.
I'm leaving my truck in the valley, smelling the Cali. No, I'm young and I'm rich and I'm reckless. The oldest could never control.
Yeah.
Rip disease out the packet. I told my nigga to roll.
Ow.
First, now he stayed. I love my nigga like yesterday. Jimmy was a plane. I told my nigga he heavyweight.
Heavyweight?
The stash boy is a secret. You out the home, so don't ever say. Don't ever say. That's my lemonade. All this coke in the room ain't no ever change.
Ow! That's not my leg. That's hot. Great.
9 ounces trying on the plate.
Wow, great.
When I will grow up, I will be army and save Pakistan and destroy India. Strong army, wow, great!
Top running like a race. Private plate, the new RA. Buy a Louis fucker face.
What he say? What he say?
No fake models, no divas. 100 bags for the Nina.
What did he say?
Take them up, do it clean up. Clean up. Clean up. Big calls with no finance. $500,000 in Binance. All these watches still can't get the time back. I'm on my back. Fight up.
29.
Happy birthday. It's Home Alone 2.
It is Home Alone 2.
Yo, listen, you won't get these conspiracies anywhere else. We got
Nowhere.
Home Alone 2 and LB cut his hair. Both of them.
B-Boys. #1 conspiracy channel.
Ratings. Listen,
Oh my God.
we saw the preview first. We were kind of skeptical.
Skeptical.
But
Very
after
skeptical.
the listen, first listen.
After this is solid. Do I think he's better than Kevin McAllister?
No.
Ooh, tough one. I don't know. Maybe not yet.
You want to know what it is?
Oh,
I'm gonna
different.
say it again.
Yes, please.
If they release this before Kevin McAllister,
Yeah.
oh, I don't know, dude.
There's just different sounds.
Different sounds, yeah.
Very
Every
different
time,
sounds.
every mixtape from D Block Europe, you need to let it marinate,
Yeah.
let it listen in your
Yeah.
ears,
That's
in,
fine.
out, spice it up, and then
Marinate like that one chicken wing
We
Lupino had
didn't even
on.
like. We didn't even.
That one chicken wing
one
Lupino
chicken
had.
wing and bread.
Listen, breaking his fast with one chicken and biting out of you.
And a
Eat
beef.
more, buddy.
We didn't like. Which one we didn't like when we first heard it? We won.
what
We didn't like. We won.
We
Me
won.
and Sam didn't like. We
Oh,
won.
we
when
won.
first
Yeah,
heard
yeah,
it.
we didn't like. We won when we first heard it.
so Home Alone 2, what do you think the vibes?
Home
bring?
Alone 2. If it's vibes like this,
Yeah,
the whole album's gonna be nuts.
yeah.
I'm looking at it right now.
Yes,
if it's something like this,
It'll be the best album.
Home Alone 2 will be the best album they released.
Get me.
Yeah,
Get me.
Oh, you're actually a rat for that.
Rat,
Fist bump him right now.
Rats, bro. Rats, yeah. Touch
My
me.
fucking G.
Yeah,
You know what I mean? Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys appreciated the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Here we are.
Peep it. Yo, who's answering?